Okay, we're going to perform
Pathetique Sonata.
second movement.
Today I'm going to be playing the second movement from Beethoven's Pathetique Sonata to learn about how to improve my technique and performance from my teacher, Nina Soyfer.
Yeah, so we've been working on the Beethoven sonata, and we did work on all three movements, but we just wanted to cover the second movement today because it's a little bit more beautiful, it's very pleasant to the ear, and you may enjoy the performance. And it requires a lot of that melody leading, a lot of that flexibility within your rhythm, within the classical music. So you cannot quite be rubato because it's classical still, but there are some things which require a breath, but we want to stay within that steady tempo. There's also some things that are challenging, like staccato with a slur line, and there's always the editorial versus the original kind of conversation, which you can never kind of be sure about. So let's just see the introduction. I'll just go over a little bit the form, the melody, and then you'll hear the entire performance as it is after a few months of practicing. Okay, go ahead. So it's important in a piece like this to actually have the right tempo. So then we have 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. Then the beginning should have been 1 and 2 and. So the beginning was too fast, not there. Which I thought, but you can also do that faster. But you have to. If that's the temp 1, and then 1, 2. So when you have a grand piano, it's okay to build a little bit of volume, so you have room to go down and have room to go up, because if you're always very gentle and quiet, you don't have that room to fluctuate. So if this is the tempo 1 and 2 and there's gonna be where is a good example, bar 29. 1 and 2 and cushion. I want those cushions on all of this great line. You hear my left hand and then the top of the right hand, and that's it pretty much. 1 and 2 and so that was your tempo here. So then you have to match it here, and that's why. So guys, a lot of people, they really want to go fast through the Beethoven second movements, but it's like ridiculously slow. And when you calm down as a performer, because as performers we want to go fast, impress everybody, because like Ken has a great technique, so then he wants to impress everybody. But then if you start very slow on the second movement of Beethoven, that is a correct thing to do. It's not something that's bad or embarrassing. And in fact, by bar 37, you'll be more steady for it. I think that's pretty much all the notes. So a little bit more pedal, a little bit more volume overall, so you have that cushion happening. And you cannot like press it like this, because it's going to be too harsh, or like this, too harsh. But then it's like if you have your slower. Exactly. Okay, so those are all the points. Okay, guys, so we're going to perform the Moonlight Sonata. Sorry.
Some other time.
Soon.